March 10, 2026 Midday Trading Financial News Summary, Eastern Time, covering 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Welcome to your market update. Before we begin, please subscribe for daily financial insights and market analysis. News 1, U.S. non-farm payrolls soar, adding 275,000 jobs in February. The U.S. economy added 275,000 jobs in February, significantly above the 200,000 consensus. However, the unemployment rate ticked up to 3.9% and wage growth slowed to 4.3% year-over-year. Treasury yields initially spiked then fell, with the 10-year yield last at 4.08%. News 2, China reports deflationary pressure as CPI falls 0.8%. China's consumer price index fell 0.8% year-on-year in February, worse than the -0.5% forecast, marking the deepest deflation since 2009. Producer prices, PPI, dropped 2.7%. The Hang Seng Index fell 1.2% on the data, renewing stimulus expectations. News 3, ECB holds rates, raises 2026 growth forecast. The European Central Bank left its key deposit rate unchanged at 3.75% as expected. It revised its 2026 Eurozone GDP growth forecast upward to 1.2% from 1%. President Lagarde stated more data is needed for confidence on inflation, pushing back on aggressive cut bets. News 4, oil prices slide 3% on demand concerns, OPEC Plus hold. Brent crude fell 3.2% to $81.50 per barrel after OPEC Plus agreed to extend current output cuts but provided no new reductions. The move, coupled with weak Chinese CPI data, fueled global demand worries, pressuring energy stocks. News 5, Nikkei 225 hits new record high, closes above 41,000. Japan's Nikkei 225 index surged 2.1% to close at a historic high of 41,087.32, driven by sustained weakness in the yen and strong earnings from major exporters. The US dollar to Japanese yen pair traded near 149.50. News 6, US Treasury announces larger than expected quarterly refunding. The U.S. Treasury announced it will auction $125 billion in notes and bonds next week, slightly above dealer estimates. The focus was on increased 10-year note sales. The 30-year bond yield rose 5 bps to 4.32% on the supply news. That concludes today's financial news summary. Stay tuned for market updates and have a profitable day ahead.